Hello everybody, how are you today? Oh, I'm fine, I'm good, and I know you're good too. I'm so happy that you joined me in today's lesson. Wow, my name is teacher Lysha, and I am going to be with you today. Alright, good. So today we are going to be learning about shapes. Yes, shapes. Can you repeat that after me? Shapes. Beautiful. Good. So today I'm going to start with a song, and afterwards we'll go into our class. All right? So let's sing together. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and square. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and square. Yay! Did you like the song? Beautiful, right? Good. So today we're going to learn about shapes. Good. Now someone is going to be joining us in our class today. Would you like to know who the person is? I can't hear you. All right. It's Mr. Shapehead! Yay! Yes, Mr. Shapehead will be joining us in today's class. Are you excited? Because I am so super excited. Yes. So you know what you're going to do? You're going to close your eyes and I will count 1 to 3, and when you open your eyes, you see Mr. Shapehead. So I want everyone to close their eyes. Now close your eyes. Good. You there, close your eyes. Good. Now I will count 1 to 3. Are you ready? Good. 1, 2, 3. Voila. I'm sorry, but Mr. Shapehead is not going to be around today. Well, he said for him to be in class today, we will have to create him. Yes. We have to create him. Would you like to create Mr. Shapehead? Good. So I'm going to be creating Mr. Shapehead. I would like you to create Mr. Shapehead with me. Are you ready? All right. Beautiful. So before we create Mr. Shapehead, I would like you to all stand up. Can you stand up wherever you are? Good. Good. Now I want you to raise your pencil finger. This is my pencil finger. Now I want you all to raise your pencil finger. Good. Now, this can also be called magic finger as well. So raise your magic finger or your pencil finger. Good. Now, I want you to use the pencil finger to touch your hair. Touch your hair. Good. Good. Now, touch your ear. Touch your ear. You can use both of them. Fine. Yes. Now, touch your eyes. Good. Touch your nose. Beautiful. Touch your mouth. Wow, wonderful. Now touch your hair. Your hair. Good. And let's see your face. Face. Beautiful. Now you can put your hands down and sit down. Beautiful. Now we are going to create Mr. Shapehead. And we are going to form everything that makes up his face. Just as we've touched every part of our faces, right? Good. So we're going to make sure we complete everything to make up his face. Are you ready to do that with me today? Good job. So first of all, we will have to make a head for Mr. Shapehead, okay? So what shape are we going to be using? Let me see. The first shape we are going to use is a shape that has 3 sides, and 3 corners. Can you guess what that shape is? 3 sides and 3 corners. It's a triangle. Beautiful. Triangle. Now a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. We're going to count the sides of our triangle. 1, 2, 3. We're going to count the corners of our triangle. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. This is a triangle. Good. And this is what we're going to place on the board to start up with Mr. Shapehead. So we're going to place it on the board, okay? All right. So Mr. Shapehead has a head already, right? Good. So what's the next shape that he will need? A face, right? Good. So we need to create a face. So what shape are we going to use to create a face? I am thinking is a shape that has 4 sides and 4 corners, and this shape is equal. They have equal sides, and it's no other shape than, voila, it's square. Can you see the square? Yes, the square has how many sides? It has 4 sides and 4 corners. So we're going to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a square. Can you repeat that after me? Square. Good job. So we're going to paste the square to complete Mr. Shape's head. And this is where we do this. Alright. So we have a head and we have a face. So what's the next thing? His eyes. Good. So we have to complete his eyes. And what shape do we need? Good. Alright, so this shape has 4 sides and 4 corners, and the shape is a square. Yes, a square, but this time around is a baby square. Alright, it's just the same as this on the board, but the difference is this is small, but it's still the shape of a square. Square, can you say that with me? Square. Good, and it has 4 sides and 4 corners. So we're going to paste this as the eyes of Mr. Shapeman. So let's place his eyes and here. Good. So Mr. Shapeman has 2 beautiful eyes, right? Wonderful. So what else do we need to complete this beautiful face? He needs a nose, right? Good. So we're going to fix his nose. And what shape do we need to fix his nose? We need a triangle. Yeah, a baby triangle. And it has 3 sides, 3 sides and 3 corners. What did I say? 3 sides and 3 corners. Beautiful. So we're going to paste this as Mr. Shape's nose. Beautiful. His nose. Good. So we have his hair, we have his face, we have his eyes, we have his nose. And what else do we need? We need his mouth so he can talk to us, right? So we need his mouth, and we're going to get a shape that will fit for his mouth. And this shape is a rectangle. Now a rectangle has 2 equal sides. The top and the bottom, the left and the right. Good. So we are going to count the sides of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to count the corners of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job, right? So this is a rectangle. And we are going to paste the rectangle as the mouth for Mr. Shapehead. Good. We are almost ready, right? So what is remaining? His ears. Wow. So we're going to get his ears, and his ears is round. Round, like a circle. Yes, like a circle. It has no sides and no corners. So this is a circle. Can you see the circle? Beautiful. And if you notice, there is no side. Do you see any side? No, there is no side. So a circle has no side and no corners, just like the steering in mommy's car, right? Beautiful. So we're going to paste this as the ear of Mr. Shapeman. So we can have a complete Mr. Shapeman. Good. This is beautiful. Awesome. So Mr. Shapeman is ready Are you ready to say hello to Mr. Shapeman? Because I am ready. So let's go there. Hello, Mr. Shapehead. How do you do?
I'm fine. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. Thank you so much for joining us today. Can you say hello to the kids?
Hello, kids.
Oh. Wow, good. So, Mr. Shapeman would like to sing the song to us. So, let's go dancing now. Are you ready? So, let's go dancing.
We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a square, you can see me everywhere. I have 4 sides, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I go round and round and round. I have only 1 side, I'm a circle.
Yay! Awesome! Did you enjoy the song? It's so beautiful, right? Yeah, I enjoyed the song. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Shapeman.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, so let's say bye to Mr. Shapeman. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, that was Mr. Shapehead, and he was teaching us his song, and he also taught us how to know the shapes, and it was so beautiful as we learned the song, right? Now, so we're going to look at the places that we can find these shapes, all right? We're going to start with the triangle. Beautiful, triangle. Let's say it together, triangle. Good. Now, where can we find the triangle shape? Let me see. A rooftop. Have you seen a rooftop before? Good. If you haven't seen a rooftop, the rooftop is on top of the house, okay? It is what you place on top of the house, so when rain falls, it doesn't get into your house. So you can go out of your house and then check around, you see a rooftop, that is what it looks like, and it always goes up, just like this, up and down. So it has the shape of a rooftop. And another item that has the shape of a triangle is one side of a pyramid. Have you seen that before? Pyramid, yeah. So a pyramid has the shape of a triangle. And we also have a funnel. Have you seen a funnel before? A funnel usually goes like this and down. We use funnels in the house. Sometimes we could use it outside. A funnel is basically what you use to put water inside a bottle, and you want to put water inside. You use a funnel, okay, and it goes like this. So it has the shape of a triangle, all right? And we're going to look at the square. Square. Now say that after me. Square. So square. Let's see, what do we see around us that has the shape of a square? A sugar cube. Remember a sugar cube? Good. One side of a sugar cube has the shape of a square. Yes, one side of a sugar cube has the shape of a square. Have you taken sugar cubes before? Good. I know you've taken a lot of sugar cubes, especially when your mom is not there. Don't mind me. Then a dice. A dice is usually white and has a dot, like 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, usually black dots. Yes, it has the shape of a square. One side of a dice has the shape of a square. And then we have a chessboard. Have you seen a chessboard before? It's usually big, like a board, but it has the shape of a square. All right, so we're going to circle. So what objects do we have of a circle? We have a steering. Good, a steering. The steering has the shape of a circle. And then we have a wheel. A wheel of the bus go round and round. I'm sure you know what the wheel is. That's the tire wheel. Is the shape of a circle. Beautiful. And then the face of a drum. You know what the drum is. That's the drum you use. Good. It has the shape of a circle. Beautiful. So we are going to rectangle. Rectangle. So let's see. A bus. A school bus. School bus has the shape of a rectangle. Beautiful. And a bed. A bed. The bed we sleep on in the night. If you look at your bed, you realize it has the shape of a rectangle. Beautiful. Also, our picture frame has the shape of a rectangle. Beautiful. So all these things mentioned all have the shape of a rectangle. So that's everything about shapes and examples of shapes. I hope you enjoyed today's class. But before we go, we're going to do a little evaluation of what you've learned today. So the first question I'm going to ask today is this. What shape has 3 sides? I'm going to take the question again. What shape has 3 sides? Can I hear the answer? No. Beautiful. A triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. That was what I taught you, right? Beautiful. A triangle has 3 sides. Now the next question is this. What shape has no sides? What shape has no sides? Can I hear the answer? Beautiful. A circle has no sides. That's very good. And then the last question goes like this. A bed that is sleeping, it has what shape? I'll take the question again. A bed has what shape? Can I get the answer? Good! A bed has the shape of a rectangle. Now give yourself a round of applause, everybody. Yay! Good job! You've done so well today, and I hope you enjoyed today's class. I want you to make sure you practice everything you've learned, and we'll see you next time. So have a wonderful day. Bye!